Well, wet weather and a lot of it. Our big weather story here as we start the new work week. I'm meteorologist Matthew East along with you. Let's take a peek early this morning from the Greensboro Tower camera, and we are socked in with rain in much of the region. It was a wet, chilly Sunday, and rain will continue at times. In fact, more often than not, today, tonight, and even scattered showers tomorrow. We'll take a peek here at the Dowd YMCA camera from uptown Charlotte. The wet weather continues there too. Temperature 52 with a north wind at 9 miles per hour. These were highs yesterday. Now, in some instances, those highs occurred during the pre-dawn hours before cooler air settled in. But you get the idea. Certainly a cool day. There's your highs in the Triad viewing area. A lot of the Charlotte area, the Piedmont area's highs very, very early in the day yesterday. Now, these are temperatures early this morning during the 5 o'clock hour, cool, damp conditions. Let's take a peek here at storm tracker radar as we've gone through the past couple of hours. Thunderstorms down here in parts of South Carolina where the air mass is more unstable. It is a cool, stable air mass in place here across North Carolina. And so maybe some embedded thunderstorms, but I don't think any severe weather concerns outside of maybe the southeastern part of the state. But this rain continues to feed in. In fact, you look at this area developing here, this is what will eventually continue to strengthen and probably pivot in a position like this late in the day today. But right now, as I cut the video during the 5 o'clock hour, it's western parts of the Triad viewing area, parts of the mountains, and then on down from there into eastern sections of the Charlotte viewing area, and then continuing on down into a good chunk of South Carolina with the heaviest rain totals. Have a flash flood warning in effect for the Roaring River area in eastern Wilkes County until mid-morning today. Yadkin River flood warning expected to be above flood stage late today and then continuing into tomorrow. Haw River flood stage expected by tomorrow morning, and just kind of scanning around. There are some other flood advisories and flood products out. There'll probably be a lot of them moving forward with this slow moving area of low pressure continuing to be in a very favorable position to pump the rain on in here. Let me show you some of the model charts here. This is the European rainfall totals through tomorrow evening through Tuesday evening. There's the 0Z run of the GFS, and we'll show you the RPM modeling, and I'll just show you, for instance, around the Triad viewing area, and you see some big numbers elsewhere as you head further to the south and east. Just a lot of big rain totals with this system. There's the high resolution rapid refresh modeling today. Then basically this is a radar simulation today and on into this evening. And again, this is just through 6 o'clock this evening. Some very impressive rain totals. Flood watch is up, as you might expect, for this reason. So here's what I'm going with in terms of potential rain amounts. And there'll be some variability here, but I think a big swath of a potential amount, a total amounts of 3 to 6 inches over central North Carolina into southeastern North Carolina, northeasternmost South Carolina. The totals taper off as you head toward the mountains and then further to the northeast. But it's really this zone here in central North Carolina, southern North Carolina, northeastern South Carolina that it's going to see the heaviest rain totals. Temperatures not going to move much today. It's going to be a cool, wet day. Wind will also be a little bit gusty at times today and tonight. Wouldn't be shocked if a few trees came down with saturated ground conditions. Now, still tomorrow, scattered showers, especially east of Interstate 77. Temperatures to some extent still held in check tomorrow, but then by Wednesday, look at that, a lot of sunshine back with us. Temperatures really begin to climb. Plenty of sunshine Wednesday with those highs looking like that, even warmer on Thursday, and it looks like an extremely warm weekend ahead. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody stay dry, have a great day, and God bless.